If you want to know how to use Google Maps timeline to create an IRS-proof mileage log, we wanted you to be among the first to know. We've successfully renewed and revolutionized this beloved MileageWise feature, and it's ready for you to try. When Google's recent update shifted timeline data to local storage on mobile devices, we recognized the challenges this posed. We worked tirelessly to overcome the obstacles and deliver an innovative solution that's exclusively available at MileageWise. Here's what's new. Google Maps Timeline Import from mobiles. Transform your Google Maps timeline data, now stored on your phone, into detailed IRS-proof mileage logs. Seamless compatibility works for both iOS and Android devices, making it available to anyone. We need your feedback. You can be one of our select VIP users. We're inviting you to be one of the first to experience this groundbreaking feature. Your feedback will be invaluable in helping us fine-tune and perfect the experience for all users. Here's how to get started. Log into your MileageWise account or start a 14-day trial. To try the new integration, follow our step-by-step guides for iOS and Android users. The links to the guides are in the description. Share your feedback with us. We can't wait to hear what you think.